I am Pankaj Sharma from Brainleague Learning. In this lesson, we will visualize defragmentation of a hard disk, what fragmentation is, why it slows things down, and how a defragmenter rearranges data to speed up reads. Think of your disk as a long line of equal-sized blocks, also called clusters. Each file occupies some number of blocks. When free space is scattered, a single file gets split into pieces that live far apart. That is fragmentation. Here is a mini disk with file A in red, file B in teal, file C in orange, and gray blocks are free space. Imagine the read and write head as a little pointer that must move to each piece of the file in order. To read file A, we start at A1, then jump to the next piece, and so on. Every jump is a seek, which costs time. Jump 1, jump 2. More jumps means slower reads. Defragmentation is a reorganization. The defragmenter moves file pieces so that each file sits in one contiguous run of blocks, and it pushes all free blocks together. Watch as file A is packed together, then file B, then file C. A continuous region of free space will end up at the right. This reduces future fragmentation and cuts down on seeks when you read files. Now that file A is contiguous, the head can stream across without extra jumps. One smooth sweep means fewer seeks and faster reads on a spinning disk. Let us make a quick back of the envelope comparison. Suppose a seek costs about 8 milliseconds on your hard drive, and reading one block once the head is in place costs about 1 millisecond. File A has 6 blocks. Before defragmentation, it had 3 fragments, which means 2 extra seeks between pieces. After defragmentation, it is 1 fragment, so 0 extra seeks. Here is the rough timing. Practical notes. A defragmenter works file by file, moving clusters and updating the file system's pointers so that files become contiguous and free space gets consolidated. It is best done when you have enough free space and when the computer is idle. One crucial clarification. Solid-state drives do not benefit from defragmentation, and it can add unnecessary wear. For SSDs, the operating system uses an optimize or trim operation instead of defrag. You have seen what fragmentation looks like, why it increases seek time, and how defragmentation restores contiguous layout to speed up hard disk reads. I am Pankaj Sharma from Brainleague Learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.